Hi guys, it's great to see you in our third video of Bite-Sized English. I'm back with 3 more words for you to learn with respect to the people's category. I hope you're not exhausted yet. We have so much to learn. But just in case, I have included rather regular and familiar words in this video to give your head some rest. You might have heard these words here and there in your daily lives, and today you will know what they mean. So since these words are familiar, I will let you try and guess this first word before I go on and reveal it. So what is one word for a person who is a partner in crime? You've got 15 seconds to figure it out, and your time begins now. Oops, the time is up. The word is accomplice. If you guys were able to guess it correctly, give a thumbs up and comment the seconds below. So accomplice means a person who participates alongside someone in some wrong or criminal activity. Let's see how to use it in a sentence. Timothy didn't get caught even though all his accomplices did. Or Martha was an accomplice of the mafia leader Simon. I hope this one's clear. Let's move on to the next one. Now here, we will be killing 2 birds or rather words with 1 stone. So we will be understanding what the words benefactor and beneficiary mean. Benefactor is one who provides help or benefits someone, while beneficiary is one who receives or avails the benefit. For example, a person who donates his time to teaching kids for free is a benefactor, while the kids who receive this help are the beneficiaries. Let's see how benefactor looks like in sentences. The benefactor of this educational institution is Mr. Jake Kyle. Or, I thank my benefactor for extending help at a time when I had no money, no family and no place to go. Now let's see examples of sentences that use the word beneficiary. The beneficiaries of this fund will not receive any amount until they show up in the meeting on Saturday. Or, Martha, Mr. Wilson's cousin, is the sole beneficiary of all his wealth. Finally, to our last word. This is something young kids fret, but adults normally enjoy, especially at parties. How many of you have already guessed it? Yes, it's chaperoning. So here the person becomes the chaperone. Chaperone is an older person who accompanies younger ones and supervises them. So here we go with the examples. Who would like to be the chaperone for health camp this year? Or, Mrs. Smith, why are you dancing? You are a chaperone, not a high school kid. Or, she was a terrible chaperone. There were 2 drunk kids found under her supervision. We're done for now, but I will be back soon with next video and new words for you to chew on. To stay connected, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video and comment away.